Assalamu alaikum guys. First of all, thank you so very much for all the love that you guys have been sending in for Yahya. We have 2 more episodes to go, which is going to be on this Friday and Saturday. So on my Instagram, I had put up a poll which was for Millie's makeup tutorial. I mean, she barely had any makeup on, but I still, fortunately, have almost all the products that I use on set. And my director was very particular. She was like, you cannot wear makeup because then it won't go with the look. And I think she was absolutely correct. Although I was like, thoda sa blush badhane de, thoda sa blush badhane de. But anyway, this was over a year ago, almost a year ago, when we filmed this. So I remember what the routine was like. लेकिन मैं स्किन केयर प्रेप अच्छे से करके जाती थी घर से, ताकि मेरा दिल थोड़ा सा मुतमईन रहे कि मैंने कुछ तो लगाया है. Alright, so I'm gonna start with what serum I used to do. Let me just line up the products and then I'll be back. Okay, a little plug-in. I mean, I dare not like going to tilt down my camera, because if I show you guys the kind of products that I've had since the last 1 year, like every single time I would go out and shop with my husband in Dubai, I'd be like, you shop so much, तुम इतनी shopping करते हो and this and that. मैं तो करती ही नहीं. और जब मुझे Sephora देखे, I'm like, I want more skincare. I want more skincare. So I have a lot of skincare on me. तो मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे करूँगी, but then eventually you will know what the idea was behind the whole look. अच्छा, पहले मैं ये पानी से करती थी, लेकिन अब मैं रोज वाटर से करती हूँ. दिस इज बाय कामा. इट्स एन इंडियन ब्रांड. माई हस्बैंड गॉट दिस फॉर मी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड देन आई फेल इन लव विद इट. पहले बहुत ट्रैवल साइज लाते थे, बहुत बड़ा वाला लेके आए, जो कि आधा तो हो गया है. एंड देन आई विल टॉप दिस विद एनी सिरम. मैं हाइलोरॉनिक एसिड आई थिंक उस जमाने में लगाती थी, सही से मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन सिरम में ज़रूर लगाती थी. और मेरी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट कहती थी, हाँ ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप हो रहा है. मैं अपनी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट को बोलती थी, ये मेकअप नहीं है, ये स्किन केयर है. सो लेट मी गो. डू नॉट कंप्लेन टू द डायरेक्टर दैट आई एम पुटिंग स्टफ ऑन माई फेस. अच्छा, फॉर मॉइस्चराइजर आई यूज टू यूज बूट्स का कोई मॉइस्चराइजर था. ये तो कोलेजन है, ये नहीं था, लेकिन इससे मिलता जुलता कोई मॉइस्चराइजर था उस वक्त मेरे पास. मैं वो लगा लिया करती थी. कभी कभार मैं न्यूट्रोजिना की जो वाटर क्रीम है वो भी लगाती थी. बट देन दैट रियली डजंट वर्क ऑन माई स्किन, बिकॉज वाटर क्रीम इज फॉर आई थिंक नॉर्मल स्किन. मेरी बहुत ड्राई है, तो मुझे ज़्यादा लेयर करना पड़ता था. क्लिनिक का जो बॉटल में आता है थिकर मॉइस्चराइजर, देयर इज अ थिन वर्जन एंड देन देयर इज अ थिकर वर्जन, वो भी करती थी. और मुझे लग रहा था मेरे पास सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, बट देन सी आई डोंट हैव देम. मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं ये शार्लेट टिलबरी लगाऊं, बिकॉज इसका और सिरम का जो दोनों मैजिक क्रीम और मैजिक वट एवर सिरम, मैजिक सिरम एंड दिस इज द मैजिक क्रीम, इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा होता है. सो आई एम कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग, ये भी लगा लेती हूँ थोड़ा सा. गॉड, एनी हो. अच्छा, ये कन्फर्म्ड है. दिस इज बेनिफिट पोमेड ब्राउ, नॉट विज, या पोमेड. दिस इज इन द कलर 4 वार्म डीप ब्राउन. और ये उस वक्त से मेरे पास है, बिकॉज आप देखें ये ख़त्म तो नहीं होने वाला, बहुत ज़्यादा चलता है. लेकिन ये मुझे परमिशन थी टू शेप माई eyebrows, because my director would know कि मेरी eyebrows बहुत sparse हैं. And I have worked with my director. Her name is Shehrazad. As you guys know, she's one of my most favorite directors. She wants what she wants. So you don't mess with her like that. You don't tell her exactly what is going on in your head. You can have a collaborative conversation with her, but then she's very, very clear. And she literally, I mean, for me, I love her set because it's so I don't know, disciplined and quiet and nice and all about work. तो हम ये वाली ब्राउज क्या करते थे. एंड आई विल टॉक अबाउट 2 कैरेक्टर्स जो मेरे साथ सबसे ज़्यादा काम था, जिनका एक तो तारा महमूद, हु इज प्लेइंग माई मदर, एंड देन सेकेंड इज खुशहाल. ओके, मैं उस वक्त कलर करेक्टर करती थी. लशियस, इज दैट द नेम ऑफ द ब्रांड. लशियस का एक ऑरेंज कलर का करेक्टर आता है. इट्स क्वाइट थिक in its consistency, so be a little bit careful. I'm going to use Huda now because this is a new product and it suits me like a charm. I mean, it's perfect for our skin type, like Asian skin type. Asian subcontinent, I'm sorry, Asian तो नहीं, हाँ हमारे सब इंडिया पाकिस्तान जो हमारा स्किन टाइप है, उसके लिए जिस तरह की डिस्कलरेशन हम लोग को नेचुरली होती है, उसके लिए दिस इज परफेक्शन. इसके बाद मैं उस जमाने में टार्ट लगाती थी, बट आई एम गोना यूज आवर ग्लास टुडे. and I'm gonna talk a little bit about Tara while I let this set, and then I'll blend it. So Tara Mahmood was playing my mother, and I love her. I mean, I have a really good relationship with her. Of course, initially I was very like, I mean, I have been working for almost 17 years, 16 years, but I have something about me. Like, I mean, I'm very like, set pe jate hi, my energy is not like this. I'm very like, I'm at work. So Tara would be like, lighten up, what's wrong with you? I have to play your mother. You're so like in your own zone. I can't even hug you properly. And then she would give me examples of other actors, which I won't name, but she would give me their names and be like, wo itne warm hai, itne welcoming hai, what's wrong with you? So I was like, okay, I get what you mean. Then वो बस आइस ब्रेक एक बार हुई, and then I love तारा. वो हंसाती भी बहुत है, लेकिन she does not like अगर scenes के अंदर when she's like, you know, giving her cues, and if I giggle or laugh or whatever, she's like, working, don't do that. बहुत नाराज हो जाती हैं. लेकिन she is like the most wonderful person to be around on set, because एक भी dim moment नहीं गुजरता उनके साथ. So I had a lot of time to spend with her, and then she would come in with like, you know, her sliced cucumbers and lobia ka salad, and like, you know, very like diet clean food. So I had a great time working with her, and I had to play like a young girl, so that was also very fascinating. And my director had given me this direction from the get-go, and she would always be like, Madiha, not Madiha, Millie. So she would keep reminding me, because I would always go back in my cocoon, and I'm very like what do you call it, composed and quiet in my own world. And she'd be like, she's not that, she's very intimidating, she's very open, she's very this and that. So keep moving your body, blink your eyes more as much as you can, and be in his face, like Yahya's face. Before he says something, before he's even thinking about something, you say it. Uske muh pe bol do that I love you and all of that. Like girls who would not technically do stuff like that in our, like, I mean, society, कि मतलब लड़कियों को ये सब नहीं करना चाहिए, आप वो सब कर देते हो because you're different. You're just like, तो क्या हुआ, बोल दिया, पसंद है तो बोल दिया, whatever. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, I'll do it. And this is the product. It's by Kiko. I think this was the product. I have a separate product. My makeup artist had something similar. Kiko का ही था, जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, O2. This was on my eyes, on my cheeks, and on my lips. All three. यही करते थे हम. And it's the Velvet Touch. So I'm going to start doing it while I talk about Khushal. Okay. So with Khushal, I also had a great time. I'm presuming, I'm not sure, jitna maine observe kiya, I'm very observant, so I hope I'm not wrong, but I think Khushal is a method actor, not fully method, but then he likes to be in his zone, and he was playing something different, which you can see. I mean, usually he's playing like a hero, macho and all of that. This was like very quiet and subdued and like, you know, apni duniya mein rehne wala, like, I mean, opposite of what he had done for the first time, and he definitely did a very good job. So with him, again, he's also very like disciplined in terms of he has to be on set on time, and then he needs to know his lines, and then he would rehearse multiple times, and then he would usually on set be quiet. Like with my scenes, when I was filming my scenes with him, Bakhim ka mujhe nahi pata, but then he had to be in his zones, and then he would deliver, keeping the mood in mind. So this Kiko goes on my cheeks, and then a little bit over the eyes. Okay, और lashes को curl करके बड़ी मुश्किल से इजाज़त मिली थी थिक मस्कारा लगाने की, because me and my makeup artist were like, डायरेक्टर के पास जाते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं प्लीज़ मस्कारा लगाने की इजाज़त देते हैं, पर बहुत सारा, because शहरज़ाद was like minimal, अगर लगाना भी है तो बिल्कुल thin coat, लेकिन इसकी इजाज़त मिल गई, and I was very happy about it. So, okay, so believe it or not, this is my makeup for Millie. There was no powder, there was no setting spray, and I would go on set like this. But then, yeah, because it was a cream product, this stick, where did it go? I've lost the stick. The Kiko, yeah, here it is. So this was Velvet Touch. I think this was the color, and I think this was the brand. Yeah, similar stick thi, some other brand, but this is O2, and it completely goes with the thing that you see on screen. And touch up करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है बहुत बार, because this is cream and we are not putting any powder blush on top. And then I would just braid my hair from here, and then I'd feel like Millie. But thank you so much.